is one. It's dedicated to two friends and former counselors, for Larry Costello and Yvonne Van Court. The title is In This Porous Light. You want to meet us simply here and now, to stand on your own side of where we've been. The lines marked off between us as we bow out of your life, and yet the line seems thin. The times you looked at us with something real, they're still in you. Why should you be so glad to go and put them on an empty wheel, to play back mad, bad, sad, discredited? The times you moved around us like a moon, with silence all around you when you spoke. This morning, cold and roseate, loosened doors, lit ceilings. No, you will not choke on love, on fear, within this light, these wells, as we draw closer and you turn from death. Thank you.